Yeah, hey everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I just finished an almost, I think it was like a 2 hour monster webinar session for our members on trading. We went through all kinds of stuff. I'm not even going to get into detail here, but if you're a member, seriously, you need to watch this because we covered a lot of ground on a lot of different aspects of trading. And I promise you that it will absolutely be worth your while. It is money in every way. Scott shared a bunch of things. So did I. Things that will absolutely save you money and make you money in this market. I promise you that. So, members, it's a long one. You can use fast speed, take notes. There's a lot of them. And by the way, if you're not a member, listen to what I just said and why don't you figure that out, okay? So this is what I want to do, though. As a part of this session, I'm taking a bunch of different questions. And from that, I decided there's a couple new stocks that I thought I'd add to our active trade list. And one of them's JP Morgan and the other's GD, General Dynamics. They look different, but both of these were questions from members like, hey, what about this? So I'm going to start with JP Morgan. I'm kind of giving you what our content is going to be. So here, I would be buying JP Morgan, let's say right here at 217. And I would put a stop like right at like 209, like something like that. So, and the idea for buying this here is because I think this stock is going to hold up. This 50 is going to hold. So I'm risking about 3.7%. And what I'm looking for is a move above 230 on this uptrend in a in a topping interest rate environment. So that's what I'd be looking for in JP Morgan. And then excuse me, I went the wrong way. GD, I'm buying this on a breakout at, we'll say, 302. And because the idea is this breakout's going to hold, I'm going to go ahead and set a stop down here, a tight stop on both of these because it's a heavy market just below the 21-day moving average at 294.40, something like that. So these are two trades that I'll be putting on just today. I'm just giving them to you because, hell, everybody needs something to do. And so why not it be the right thing? So anyway, that's all I got for you this time around. Again, members, check out this session today. It's definitely, this is why you're paying me. We'll just put it that way. Okay. All right. See you guys next time.